Today I'm going to show you the best dash cam front and rear under 100 and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Affver 4K plus 2.5K dash cam front and rear. Looking for high quality front and rear coverage without overspending? The Affver 4K plus 2.5K dash cam delivers impressive recording performance with 4K front video and 2.5K rear video, helping capture important details on the road. You also get Wi-Fi 6, built-in GPS, a 3.59-inch IPS screen, G-sensor protection, loop recording, night vision, and 24-hour parking monitoring. A 64GB memory card is included, making setup simple right out of the box. With a price of just $89.99, this feature-packed dual dash cam is worth checking out. Number 2. 4K dash cam front and rear. If you want clear footage during both day and night driving, this 4K dash cam front and rear is designed to deliver. It records in 4K from the front and 2.5K from the rear, while HDR night vision helps improve visibility in challenging lighting conditions. Built-in GPS tracks driving information, and the G-sensor automatically saves important footage during sudden impacts. Wi-Fi connectivity, loop recording, and parking monitoring add extra convenience for daily use. With a price of $99.98, it's a solid choice for commuters and road trip drivers alike. Number 3. 4K dash cam front and rear, full HD 3-channel dash cam. Want coverage of the road ahead, behind, and inside your vehicle? This 3-channel dash cam records in 4K from the front, while the additional cameras provide full HD coverage for broader protection. It includes a 128GB memory card, built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, a 3.16-inch IPS display, G-sensor collision detection, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. These features make it useful for families, rideshare drivers, and everyday commuters. At a price of $94.98, it offers a strong balance of coverage and value. Number 4. JIMIMAX 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p 3-channel dash cam. Need complete front, rear, and cabin recording in one system? The JIMIMAX 3-channel dash cam captures 4K video from the front and 1080p footage from both the rear and interior cameras. It also includes a 128GB memory card, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, a 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision, G-sensor protection, and parking monitoring capabilities. These features help provide more complete recording coverage for daily driving and rideshare use. With a price of $99.99, this model is worth considering. Number 5. 3-channel dash cam with G-sensor, display, recording, and parking. If you're shopping on a tighter budget, this 3-channel dash cam focuses on the essential features many drivers need. It includes multi-camera coverage, a built-in display, G-sensor technology, recording functions, and parking monitoring. The G-sensor helps secure important footage when an impact is detected, while the display allows quick access to settings and recordings. These features make it a practical choice for everyday driving and basic vehicle monitoring. With a price of only $56.99, it's an affordable option worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.